We're here at Jeppo North, as you can see behind me. Our 4 LISD middle schools, including Zapata County ISD and Webb Consolidated Districts, are joining us here at the Area 21 Special Olympics bowling competition. So we're excited to have and to host all our students. They are participating in this event. This is as a result of their adaptive PE classes. This is part of their IEPs. This is part of their education plan where they practice in the gyms with their coaches. They practice their bowling. They've been practicing for weeks on end to be ready for today's competition. We're very excited to be doing this for the first time. And we wish all our students the best of luck and, of course, to have a safe event.